guys, welcome back to another video. Dirty day here in the shop. I'm going to show you this real quick. Pretty stoked. I got the door on just so I can make sure my panel is lined up the bedside anyway. Make sure the door functions as it used to before I go to town on that. So let me show you this right here as well. But the only panels that I'm actually going to be cutting and patching are the doors, the bottoms of them. But this panel right here is the other one that I got to cut out and patch. It's rusted because this filler neck for the fuel mounts right here. One issue I've really been running into in the shop is lighting. Just not enough of it. Let's get these 4 lights right here. And the doors are up, those get blocked, and then outside it's just so bright compared to inside. It's kind of hard to see. So to combat that bad lighting, I ordered 12 4-foot lights on Amazon. Alright guys, moment of truth. Got all 12 in here. Way better. Now it's clean up in here and organize. Well guys, with all that said about the body work on the back there, that's pretty much all my replacement panels installed. Hey buddy. You supervising? Well, guys, looks like I'm back to filming with my my phone. It's giving me an error. I took the battery out a few times and stuff. I don't know. Hopefully I can recover the footage off this SD and just try and finish with my phone here. I got all the transmission bell housing bolts out. So the motor should be ready to come out. I don't see what would be holding it on right now. I'm going to take these engine mounts the rest of the way out. Yeah, okay, so we're floating here. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I was hoping to get this on the motor stand, get it all tucked away in the corner, clean some stuff up, but the bell housing bolts are too short. So I gotta go pick up some bolts. Kind of just get this thing out on the stand, stick it in the corner for now, start tearing it down. But I still gotta take this trans out and the transfer case. That won't be too bad though. That's gonna be it for this video. I need to yet again, kind of just, it's such a small space in here. Every time I do one project, I need to stop and kind of clean everything up, organize, put all the bolts in bags and stuff, label it all. All right, guys, in the next video, I'm gonna pull out the transfer case, transmission, drive shafts, thinking about getting some tall jack stands, pulling the axles right out, and then pulling the cab off the frame, or putting something to the cab and dropping the frame. Then I can pull the frame right outside, sandblast it, paint it, and slide it back into the truck. Yeah, like, subscribe, and can't wait to get more content out to you guys.